This video will show you how to assemble the fender and rack dual mount. Deflate the rear tire to reach the rear fender mounting hole. First, lock the rear rack and fender brackets. Place the fender in the locked bracket. Align the two mounting holes on the rear rack upper bracket to the ones on the upper seat stay. Tighten both sides of rear rack bracket fixing screws on the upper seat stay. Align and tighten the two rear fender fixing screws on the seat stay and chainstay bridge. Adjust the rack level and tighten the screws on the sliding blocks. Tighten both sides of fixing screws for rear rack and fender bracket fixing screw on the lower seat stay. Reinflate the rear wheel. Align the upper mounting hole on the front fender to the one on the back side of the fork crown. Tighten the upper fender fixing screw. Align the upper mounting holes on the front rack to the ones on the side of the fork crown. Insert the upper front rack fixing screws with the spacers as shown. Tighten the upper front rack fixing screws. Align the mounting holes on the lower side of the front rack and the fender side bracket to the ones on the lower side of the fork. Tighten the fixing screws for both front rack and fender side bracket. Enjoy your ride! And if you have more questions, please visit support.momentum-biking.com.